Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix a LiDAR or sensor error on your MOVA 1000. First, make sure the sensor cover is removed as you might have forgotten to take it off. Clean the LiDAR sensor frequently with a microfiber cloth which can be dampened with water or isopropyl alcohol, then dry it with a clean cloth to avoid smudges. If that doesn't help, the sensor might be scratched and need replacement, or you can try a software update. To update, open the app, tap the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down to Firmware Update, and install any available update. There's a separate video on the channel showing how to do it. If the sensor gets dirty too often, it may be time to replace the brush on the charging station. The brush at the top should be replaced every few years, or at least cleaned occasionally, as it helps clean the sensor each time the robot docks. It also protects the sensor from rain when the robot is in the station. That's all. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.